Hey everyone. So you've probably heard that Python is one of the most powerful and in-demand programming languages out there, right? Well, today we're going to map out exactly how you can learn it completely for free. So let's jump right in.
You know that feeling? You type Learn Python for free into Google and bam, you're just hit with this huge wall of websites, courses, and tutorials. It's a lot. And you're left wondering, where on earth do I even begin?
But what if we looked at this list differently? What if it wasn't just a random bunch of links, but an actual roadmap? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to walk through this together and turn all that confusion into a super clear, step-by-step plan. Look, every big journey starts with that first small step. And when you're learning to code, that means writing your very first program. Seriously, the most important thing isn't getting it perfect, it's just starting.
And for that very first step, our map points us directly to Codecademy. If you are a complete and total beginner, this is, without a doubt, the perfect place to start.
What's so great about Codecademy is that it's super interactive. It doesn't just throw a bunch of text at you, no, it gets you writing actual code right in your web browser from lesson 1. This hands-on style is amazing for building up that early confidence and, just getting the hang of the basic rules of the language really, really fast. Okay, so you've written your first Hello World program, and you're feeling pretty good, right? Awesome. Now it's time to move past just the basics and start building a really solid foundation of knowledge. So for this next phase, we're going to look at two incredible resources that do different but equally important jobs. You can think of it like this. Python.org is the official rulebook for the language, while RealPython is like a masterclass that explains all the best strategies for playing the game. Python.org is, well, it's the source of truth. It's where the language itself lives. Every single professional developer learns how to use the official documentation. Anytime you're wondering, hey, how does this one function work again? This is your go-to. It's going to be the most reliable tool in your entire toolbox, for sure. Now, RealPython is where you really level up your understanding. While the official docs tell you what a piece of code does, RealPython is amazing at explaining why you should do it a certain way. Their articles on best practices are what help you go from just writing code that works to writing code that's actually elegant, efficient, and professional. All right, now for the really fun part. You've got the basics down. You know where to look things up, so it's time to stop just learning and start building. Honestly, this is where it all starts to click. And our first stop for getting our hands dirty with some real projects is the one and only free camp. This is where you really put all that new knowledge to the test. See, FreeCodeCamp is all about learning by doing. It gives you a whole curriculum of projects and challenges that actually force you to apply what you've learned to solve problems. And as you complete them, you can earn certifications, which gives you these really cool, tangible goals to work toward. Now, what if you're interested in Python because of the, absolutely exploding world of data science, machine learning, and AI? If that's you, then your next stop has got to be Kaggle. What makes Kaggle so awesome is that it just drops you right into the thick of it. You're not playing around with fake, made-up examples. You're using these cool, interactive notebooks to analyze actual, real-world data. You can even jump into competitions to see who can build the best models. It's just an incredible playground for anyone who wants to be a data scientist. So we've looked at all these incredible resources, right? But the real question is, how do they all fit together? How do you actually turn this into your own personal learning plan? This pro tip right here really says it all. The secret sauce isn't about picking just one of these websites. The real magic happens when you understand how to use them together, because each one plays a really specific and important role in your journey. So here it is, the whole path all laid out. Step 1, you start with Codecademy just to get your feet wet. Step 2, as you're learning, you build your foundation using python.org as your quick reference and RealPython for those deep dives. And finally, step 3, you make it all stick by building real things on FreeCodeCamp or diving into data on Kaggle. It's a simple, clear, and repeatable process. So there you have it. No more feeling overwhelmed, no more confusion. You now have a clear map that can guide you all the way from beginner to builder. So the only question left, and it's the most exciting one, is what are you going to build first?